Hello everyone, I welcome you all to this wonderful channel where we discuss about astrology, palmistry, and I take up all the queries, all your doubts. My name is Shivam People, I'm an astrologer, I'm a palmist and a spiritualist. So today we are going to discuss about a wonderful transit which has just happened on May 4th, 2021. The planet Venus has entered the sign of Taurus, its own sign of Taurus. Now entry of Venus into the sign of Taurus denotes your family security, denotes your changes which are coming into your love, relationship, family values, and even the security of life. Sign of Taurus is a very practical sign, denoting the energies of your second house, which means security, family values, your assets, your money, flow of things, your communication, speech within the family, and it also denotes the things that you have accumulated. And in this time, you will be bringing in certain practical changes when it comes to your relationships, family, your prioritization of things, and even you will be willing to take certain decisions related to your finances, maybe an upgradation in your job or maybe shifting in your job. And even within the love matters, you will be solving, you will be first recognizing the problems that what all you have in your relationships or within your family, and then you will be going towards solving all those issues, right? And I would say that this Venus is placing along with the north node, that is the Rahu, and the planet Mercury, right? So three friends getting together in this sign. But the north node aspecting it backwards, Venus is creating a sense of urgency into things, right? Making people feel anxious or making people feel lacking about things. And make sure, yeah, that you have to behave in a very practical manner in this time, but you do not have to take hasty decisions or be in a hurry to do the things. Think about it, take practical decisions, and be very, very easy with all the things that you're doing in this time. Now, the planet Venus denotes your love, romantic relationships, your luxuries. It also denotes your conduct into your relationships with everyone. It also denotes the feminine energy in your life, right? And is also denoting your creative ability into everything. And this planet is also the lord of knowledge and learning into creative things. And I would say that it also denotes your accumulations because it is in the sign of Taurus. And now for each one of the signs it means differently, this transit will behave differently. Now first of all, I will start with the fire signs. What are the fire signs? The sign of Aries, the sign of Leo, and the sign of Sagittarius. For you people, this is a time, this planet, this combination has come in your second house, sixth house, and your 10th house. It is a time to make certain changes in your finances or taking up your financial decisions. It is a time when you have to communicate right within the family. It is a time when you have to set a right kind of routine for yourself, which you can take it for long. You have to correct the things in your routine so that you can progress in the long run. Be very soft and easy and gentle in communication within the family and also at the workplace. That will definitely give you some kind of upgradation. Females or feminine energy or people loving towards you will be very, very helpful to you in your job upgradation, in your work upgradation. And it is also a good time to take decisions related to your finances and family wealth, right? So you can go for it and make sure that you are speaking or chanting right kind of words within your relationship, because Rahu, that is the north node aspecting this Venus, may create at times some kind of miscommunication into the things, right? So best of luck to all the fire signs. Next, I'll be talking about the earth sign people. For the what are the earth sign? The sign of Taurus, the sign of Virgo, and the sign of Capricorn. For you people, this combination, this Venus has come in your first house, fifth house, and ninth house, activating your holy trine. And this is a time to learn new things. This is a time to learn about self-love and also to improve certain things in your personality. And this is a